and today I want to show you how to make your own food books. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. You can have them done with cornrows or without cornrows. So since I want to style them any way I want, I'll be making them in the videos. Make sure those tiny braids are not so tight so that the crocheting hook can easily pass through them. I'm using a crocheting hook to attach each lock on my tiny braids, then wrap it around the braid. I'm repeating the same process again, crocheting hook to attach each lock on my tiny braids, then wrap it around the braid. And now for a small hair tip. You should wash your hair on regular basis and have it treated at least once a month for natural hair and once in 2 weeks for relaxed hair. You should also get yourself a leave-in conditioner. It goes a long way in softening your hair. You can also get one with anti-dandruff properties if you suffer from dandruff or an itchy scalp. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also ring the bell to get notified whenever I post. If there's any style you'd like to see me do next time, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.